Hello, and thanks for joining me for another tip of the month. In this session, we're going to see how to cut a section along any UCS. So depending on where your UCS is, we're going to be cutting a section along the XY. So in this case, our UCS is located right here, and the first thing we want to do is take that and place it right here in this corner in order to cut a section along this area right here. First thing to do is, first, as you can see here, this is a 3D object, but this works on a 2D object as well, which would be much simpler. First thing is that we're going to make sure that our 3D snap is on. So type in the command line 3D snap, and you're going to make sure that you have your vertex turned on here. So hit OK. And now we're going to type in the command line UCS. And as soon as you do that, you're going to see that now you have the option to move your UCS. We're going to take that and place it right here. So as soon as you see a blue snap appear, it means that this is snapping on 3D. So hit here, and and when you click, now you can select your vertices. So our our x-axis essentially will be right here in this direction, and our Y will be right here. And as soon as you click that, you're going to see that now you have this option here. So my UCS in this case is X going this direction, Y in this direction. Now, using the section module from the essentials category, where you have the option to cut one section or many sections. In my case, I'll just cut one section. So I'm going to click on that command, type in, name this section as, section. And for type, we see that we have our standard options right here, looking west, north, east, south, elevation, or point azimuth. But there's another option down here, current UCS. So as soon as you click that one, the program will essentially take whatever is in the drawing, whatever UCS is in the drawing, and cut it along the XY. So in our case here, our UCS is set in this manner. Our clips, we're going to leave it as 0.002 in terms of thickness. And since everything here is on the same layer, this option here doesn't really matter. But if you would like to keep other layers turned on, make sure that this is turned off. So now when this is configured, just click OK. And now the program will essentially cut a section along our UCS. And as we can see here, we have these two shapes which correspond to, if we go back here, it's in 2D wireframe right now, but we cut a section essentially along this bolt here, and we took that larger part. So now if you go back to section view, we see that we have this shape. A good way to make sure that you cut a section in the way that you wanted is to simply draw a polyline around it. So I'm going to draw a closed polyline here, go back to plan view, and as we can see here, we have this polyline that indicates where the section was cut. So this is a quick and easy way to just make sure that you cut your section along the right way. But essentially, this option here, current UCS, uses whatever UCS you have in your drawing. So before using that option, make sure to configure your UCS in the drawing first and then use it. I hope this was helpful, and if you have any questions or comments, make sure to leave them in the comment section below, or you can email us at info@promine.com. Thanks for watching.